Hi guys, welcome. Today we are going to be chalking our 5x7 box frame with the This Is Us transfer. I've gone ahead and fuzzed it on my fuzzing cloth. This allows me to pick up a little bit of fuzz or lint and helps me pull the transfer off of my surface that much easier. When I wash it, that'll come right off and it won't affect the transfer. So I've used our peacock paste, squeegee it on, scrape the extra off, put the extra right back in the jar, and then peel off the transfer. You're going to go side to side or top to bottom, never diagonally. Diagonally can stretch the transfer. And then I have some of these wood flowers that I picked up. So I'm going to grab my glue gun and just position them here. I've glued them. The longest part of this project was waiting for the heat gun or the glue gun to heat up. And so I've applied that, and there you go. A super easy gift. Thank you guys.